Psychiatrists in the school try to explain thoughts and behaviors with biological processes. They focus on our genes, hormones, and neurotransmitters. There are 4 types of neurotransmitters: acetylcholine, or ACH, which deals with motor, memory, and movement; dopamine, which deals with alertness; serotonin, which deals with mood control; and endorphins, which deal with pain control. Too little or too much of any of these neurotransmitters can result in problems. For example, too little serotonin can cause clinical depression. Neurons also play a big role in this school. There are 3 different types of neurons: efferent, or motor neurons, which send information from the brain to the body; intraneurons, which allow the brain and spinal cord to directly communicate; and afferent, or sensory neurons, which allow us to feel stuff. Neurons are what make up our nervous systems. Every human has 3 nervous systems: the central nervous system, which is the brain and the spine; the peripheral nervous system, which is all nerves not enclosed in bone; and our reflexes, which are afferent neurons that take information up to the brain through the spine. The peripheral nervous system is then broken down into the somatic nervous system, which uses motor neurons to cause voluntary muscle movement, and the autonomic nervous system, which deals with automatic muscle movements. There are 2 parts to the autonomic nervous system: the sympathetic nervous system, which deals with the flight or fight response, and the parasympathetic nervous system, which slows down our body after a stressful event. Therapy in this school focuses on altering the chemicals in our body, so drugs are commonly administered. Drugs can either be agonists, which make the neurons fire; antagonists, which stops the neurons from firing; and reuptake inhibitors, which block the neurons from taking back in neurotransmitters that they already fired.
Hi Lucy, why are you here today?
I've been struggling with anorexia lately. I feel like a fat whale when I walk into the room. Just everyone around me is a threat to my appearance. They're so much skinnier than I am. It's not fair.
I'm sorry. Does your family have a history with anorexia?
Yes, my older sister has been struggling with it for 5 years.
You don't say. Since your older sister had it, when you were born, you had a higher risk of developing anorexia because of your family's genetics, and the way these genes gave a predisposition for less serotonin in your brain.
Okay, so what do I do?
I'm going to prescribe you the serotonin reuptake inhibitor, which will hopefully calm you down so you can feel better about yourself.